I've been on dozens of training courses, and to be honest, they're all the same. PowerPoints that go on for days, workbooks you fill in, you never look at them again. People have been bored to death, literally.
Literally?
Yeah. Sandra from accounts. Terrible way to go.
Have you heard of service with a hug?
Sorry?
Hi, I'm here to tell you about an exciting learning experience called Service with a Hug. It's not your ordinary training with boring PowerPoints and workbooks. No, it's engaging, interactive, and super effective. And if you want to bring your whole team together, customer-facing and those working in the background, this is the workshop for you.
You're not doing any role play. Hey, you're not doing any of that. We're doing that. However, you are going to be involved because, in fact, you're going to be the directors of the play. We're going to play out a little skit. It'll be a customer and a salesperson environment. You will be keeping your eyes and ears open for bad customer service. When you see it, simply shout out, stop.
You know, creating exceptional customer relationships starts within the team. That positive energy between colleagues spreads like wildfire, and customers feel it too. When everyone's working together, having fun and making a difference, that's the kind of vibe that keeps customers coming back.
I'm so glad I actually came to this, and I'm so grateful for everything I'm going to take back from it.
I think it's been a very positive experience. It's been a lot of fun, but there's a serious message behind it as well.
Now you might be wondering, what's the benefit for the business? Well, let me tell you. Increased customer satisfaction, improved loyalty and more referrals all impact the bottom line in a positive way. And it's not just about the money either, although that's nice. A happy team equals lower staff turnover, fewer days off, and improved productivity, all leading to a more efficient, profitable, and resilient business.
My message to other people in the network who may have the opportunity to do this is personally, I would jump in both feet and I would absolutely take advantage of it.
My message to others that are thinking about doing the Service with a Hug workshop is to just go and do it, because you can use it as a team building event as well. It's a really, really, really strong message.
Brilliant, really exciting course, very interesting, learnt a lot.
Great course, learnt a lot of things.
Everyone's got some action plans, everyone's got things they want to do differently, they can do differently, and you can really see already, we're only 3 weeks since the programme, and that enthusiasm is still there.
So if you're looking to level up your customer service, create an engaged team and see immediate results in the workplace, join us for Service with a Hug. It's not just a one-off event, it's an investment in your team and your business.
It's been absolutely brilliant. I thoroughly enjoyed it today. I'll be taking definitely all of it back with me.
Let's create a culture of exceptional service, where everyone's motivated and empowered to go above and beyond for each customer. Because everyone deserves a hug. Thanks for listening.
Wow, Sandra would have loved that.